Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Learn English PK. Today we begin our next chapter, which is chapter number 2, My Beloved Pakistan. It's a poem that fills our heart with pride and love for our homeland. Each verse reminds us that Pakistan is not just a place on the map, it's a feeling, a promise, and a dream we all share. So let's explore its beauty, its message, and the emotions that make it truly beloved. Dear students, let's go through the overview of this chapter together. If we talk about the themes are love and devotion to Pakistan, and its focus is on unity, sacrifice, and progress. When we talk about the tone of the poem, it's patriotic and motivational. And the message of the poem is to inspire students to serve their homeland with honesty and hard work. Now, dear students, before we dive deeper into the poem, let's pause and learn some important vocabulary words. These words will help you understand the stanzas more clearly. First, I will say the word in English, then explain it in Urdu. So, are you ready? Let's begin our vocabulary journey together. First word is pride. Satisfaction in achievement means फख्र महसूस करना, कामयाबी पर खुशी होना. Soar means rises high, बुलंद होना. Beyond, farther than, outside of. Mighty means powerful, ताकतवर. Glowing means shining with light, चमकता हुआ या रोशन. Blooming means flourishing, खिलना या फूलना. You have learned the first set of words. Let's move to the next slide and explore a few more. Remember, each word is like a key. It unlocks the meaning of the poem. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Beacon is guiding light, रहनुमाई करने वाली रोशनी. Strive, making a great effort, कोशिश करना. Grace means elegance and kindness, मेहरबानी. Sacred mean holy, respected, मुकद्दस या मोहतरम होना. Peace is harmony, which means सुकून या अमन. Okay, student, as you have learned the meaning of these words, now try to use these words in your own sentences. This way, the vocabulary will stay in your memory and make your English stronger. Now that we understand the important vocabulary, let's open the poem itself. We will read each stanza line by line and I will explain its meaning in Urdu so you can feel the poet's message clearly. Let's begin with the first stanza. O land of green, so rich and true, है सरसब्ज़ ज़मीन, है सच्ची और अजीम. With skies so wide, वसी आसमान, and rivers blue और नीले दरिया. Your mountains, तुम्हारे पहाड़, stand with pride, फ़ख्र के साथ खड़े हैं, so high, बहुत ज़्यादा बुलंद. Your spirits soar, तुम्हारा जज्बा, soars mean बुलंद परवाज़ करना, बहुत ऊंची परवाज़ करता है, बियॉन्ड द स्काई, आसमानों से भी आगे. इस स्टैंज़ा में शायर पाकिस्तान की कुदरती खूबसूरती और उसके लोगों के मजबूत जज्बे को बयान कर रहा है और इस तरह वो पाकिस्तान से अपनी मोहब्बत और अकीदत का इजहार करता है. In the second stanza, the poet describes the geographical diversity of Pakistan, saying that from snowy peaks of mighty north, शमाल की बर्फ़ वाली चोटियों से लेकर to desert glowing in the south, जनूब के रोशन सहराओं तक, each grain of soil, मट्टी का हर ज़रा, each blooming tree, हर खिलता हुआ दरख्त, whispers of love and liberty, सरगोशी करता है मोहब्बत की और आज़ादी की. Now let's move to the next stanza. Your flag of green and star so white, तुम्हारा सरसब्ज़ परचम और सफ़ेद सितारा, shines like a beacon in the night, अंधेरे में रोशन मीनार की तरह जगमगाता है. We hold it high, हम इसे हमेशा बुलंद रखते हैं, both pride and strong, फ़ख्र के साथ और मजबूती के साथ. In every heart, हर दिल में, your name belongs, तुम्हारा नाम बसता है. In these lines, the poet talks about the importance of Pakistan's flag and how the people feel about it. Let's discover what new message the poet shares in the fourth stanza. For all who serve and strive with grace, उन सब के लिए जो खिदमत करते हैं वक़ार से और जदोजहद करते हैं. You are our pride, our sacred place. तो हमारी शान है, हमारी मुक़द्दस सरज़मीन है. We'll work, हम मेहनत करेंगे. We'll learn, हम इल्म हासिल करेंगे. And we'll stand as one, और हम एक होकर खड़े रहेंगे. Until the brightest dream is won, जब तक कि सबसे रोशन ख्वाब पूरा ना हो जाए. In these lines, the poet appreciates the people who work hard and serve the country and emphasizes unity and dedication for bright future. In this last stanza, the poet directly addresses Pakistan and calls it his home. Pakistan, my home, my land. Pakistan, मेरी सरज़मीन, मेरा वतन. Forever will I make my stand. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा दिफा करता रहूँगा. With peace and love, अमन के साथ और मोहब्बत के साथ. I'll do my part. मैं अपना किरदार अदा करूँगा. For you will always on my heart. क्योंकि तू हमेशा मेरे दिल में बसता रहेगा. In these concluding lines, the poet declares his devotion to his homeland and promises to serve it with peace and love. Now, let's check our understanding with some quick questions from the poem. There are 3 while reading questions, and you can see them on your screen. The first question is that what qualities of the lands are being celebrated? The poem celebrates the land's natural beauty such as green field, white skies, blue rivers and tall mountains in the very first stanza. And the symbols are also being used in the poem, like green flag and white stars, and they are the symbol of hope, unity and guidance. The speaker actually conveys the message of deep love, loyalty and commitment to Pakistan in this poem. Let's move to the exercise questions. There are 5 exercise questions. The first question, the overall message of the poem is asked, which is patriotism, unity and dedication. How the poet shows his love. He shows his love for Pakistan by praising its land, flag and people. And different features of Pakistan are mentioned in the poem. In the very first stanza, the poet mentions green field, white skies, blue rivers and high mountains. And the different symbols are also used in the poem, unlike the green flag and white stars, and the green color, it shows growth. White star is marked for peace. The message for the student is that they can show patriotism in their daily life by respecting the flag, studying well and helping others. So dear students, today we explored the poem My Beloved Pakistan, its vocabulary, stanzas and questions. We learned that the poet's message is love, unity and dedication for our homeland. Remember, patriotism is not only in words but in our action, by studying well, helping others and respecting our country. May Allah bless Pakistan with peace and prosperity. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep revising, keep practicing, and keep Pakistan close to your heart.